To install Pun2, go to Window and then Package Manager. Under My Assets, you will find all the assets you've previously claimed at the Unity Asset Store. Find Pun2 and hit Download or Import at the bottom right hand corner. Unity will now ask you what files you'd like to import. Leave this at its default and hit the Import button. After installation, the Pun wizard will ask you for your app ID. To see your app ID, you have to visit the Photon website. Link is in the description. You will then need a Photon account. Just create one or sign in. In the top right hand corner, you can access your dashboard. Here you have all your apps listed. If you don't have an app for your project, simply click on the Create New App button. Photon will ask you for a Photon type, which in our case will be Pun. And a name for your app, in this case I'll call it Tutorial Application. After you filled in all the required information, simply click the Create button at the bottom. Now to access the ID for this app, click on Manage and click and copy where your app ID is displayed. Back in Unity, we can now paste our app ID and hit Setup Project. And there you go, Pun2 is now ready to use.